How to turn off your screen time without the password. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can turn off the parental control in your iPhone. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go in your iPhone settings. Now once you are in here, you have to just go on the search, and here you can search for the screen time. Now once you are in the screen time, in my case I didn't set any screen time passcode yet. So for that, what you have to do is, here is the option of the lock screen time settings. You just have to click on it, and here you have to set a screen time passcode, and after that you just have to re-enter the screen time passcode that you previously had, and after that here you have to enter your email or the phone number. But if you want to reset or the turn off the screen time password, what you have to do is, here you have to just simply click on it, forget password, and after that you just have to cancel a passcode. So once you are in here, what you have to do is simply go on the forgotten password, and you didn't have to enter your email address or the phone number. And after that you are able to turn off the screen time without the password. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.